Quick grip and release wood clamps. Ratchet bar clamps designed with quick grip and release functions, making works easier and more efficient. Clamp sets of two size 6-inch, 4-inch one-handed operate woodwork clamps suitable for workpiece which is clamping within 0 to 155 mm, supporting the height of 75 mm to 320 mm. Flexible chuck plastic jaws will not deform or scratch the workpiece, suit for woodworking and a variety of smaller projects craft. Functional change between clamping or supporting by changing the direction of the chuck. Torque of Dussel clamps, 6-inch clamp, 65 kg, 143 pounds, 4-inch clamp, 22 kg, 48.5 pounds. MulWark 2-in-1 Aluminum Pocket Hole Jig System Kit, Removable Pocket Screw Jig, Adjustable Hole Pitch 15-degree Angle Drill Guides. The durability of the high-grade all-metal construction is many times higher than that of plastics and glass-filled nylon alternatives. The jig body is made of strong aluminum metal with good corrosion resistance, fast heat dissipation and lightweight. The hole pitches can be easily adjusted between 3, 4 and 2 inches. The twin drill guides can be split into a single drill guide, which allows you to use it conveniently and quickly on some very narrow boards. Pocket hole joinery is a fast and easy option for building cabinets, furniture, fixed inclined frames, corner joints, etc. You can use it to join two pieces of the workpiece hardwood, softwood, and sheet, MDF, materials, in any configuration. It is the strongest bench brush because of bristle quality and balance. This woodshop brush could also be used as a furniture brush, counter, drafting or patio brush. Works wonderful with a metal dustpan. It is great for cleaning coffee grinds or gifts for woodworkers or gardeners. You will love it as a fan duster for your ceiling fan. Handy for fireplace cleanup. It is one beautiful handcrafted workbench brush. Dremel carving bits made from high-quality tungsten carbide, sturdy and durable. Used on wood, iron, carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, and other metals, and marble, jade, bone etc. The surface of Dremel carving bits is smooth after carving by die grinder bits, and no dust and pollution created. In particular, Dremel carving bits have 3 mm for detailed work and 6 mm for quick material moving. Its efficiency is higher than the manual file tool, and the special design multi-slotted burrs improve the working efficiency greatly. Industrial-grade double-sided tape that is specially calibrated for woodworking activities such as splicing, machine cutting, CNC woodworking, routing, and anchoring. Strong but does not chip off wood surface upon removal. Cloth backing allows the double-face woodworker's tape to resist curling, making it easy to manage, adhere and remove, lessening the preparation time and effort needed on each template. Silicone-based adhesive allows the double-stick woodworking tape to be stable yet removable, residue-free and not damage the wood's delicate surface, empowering the average American woodworker to produce neat and pro projects. Optimal thickness enables the double-sided wood template tape to be applied and peeled off easily from the wood. Does not lift or chip off the wood's surface, making it a perfect companion for woodworkers. It is a woodworking circle planer with scale which has the metric system, imperial system. You can adjust the length to change the radius of the circle according to your needs to make you save the time of integration and assembly. There is no need for you to worry the installation. It is very simple to assemble. You only need to take out the screws, fix the woodworking compass scribe on the wooden board, and adjust the radius as needed at last, saving your time for consolidation and assembly. The angle gauge frame is made of all aluminum, compact and very convenient. Portable size with ruler, bring it home, easy to use on working. The electronic inclinometer also offers bevel and angle readings in pitch inch, feet, degrees, millimeter, meter, and percent slope. Furthermore, it is convenient to bring along since it only weighs a little and small size means that it can fit into tight spots. This digital angle gauge and level have switchable acoustic signal function. Acoustic signal routing via beeps when you reached 0 degrees or 90 degrees. And are both dust tight and protected against spray water. Using the hold function, readings can be frozen on the display, and the zero function makes it possible to apply zero setting in any position. Digital spirit levels can either be used in a normal position or for inverted measurements overhead. The bevel gauge with V-groove and powerful built-in 3-pieces magents on the base. You can easily mount this tool against the metallic surfaces, like a pipe, conduit, metal fabrication, and steel construction framing. With its spiral drive technology, the cordless brad nailer stapler delivers more full power shots than comparable corded tool without the hassle of using cord, gas and compressor. It drives 1/4 of an inch crown staple from 5/8 of an inch to 1 inch, and 18-gauge brad nail from 5/8 of an inch to 1/1/4, which makes it ideal for fastening lightweight decoration trim, installing sheets of insulation. Chisel honing guide can be used for wood chisel, planer, blade, graver, graving knife, plane iron, flat chisel, edge sharpening. And easily works on both oil stones and water stones. You can adjust the clamping width by rotating the screw cap. The honing guide jig fits chisels from 1/8 of an inch to 1/7/8 in width, and plane irons from 1/3/8 to 3/1/8 in width, includes flat jaws for clamping mortise chisels, and grooved jaws for clamping paring chisels and planer blades. Durable right-angle clamp, made of premium aluminum alloy die casting material. Allows 2 wood block of different thicknesses to be joined at a 90-degree angle. The maximum clamping range is approximately 2.7 inches, 70 mm, jaw width, 3.74 inches, 95 mm, jaw depth, 2.13 inches, 54 mm, which can clamp steel rods, metal pipes, wood, thick glass and other materials. Rubberized single handle with adjustable rotary jaw to align and hold workpieces precisely. Solid and anti-skid, helps to set up instantly and secure quickly. Ideal for use in welding, framing, drilling, doweling, woodworking, making cabinet, installing furniture, box and picture frames, etc.